Hi guys, welcome back to Discover Zone. Juniper here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a phone holder, so let's go. But wait, first we have a shout out. The shout out goes to, drumroll please, Confusion. Thank you Confusion so much for watching our videos. Now let's really get started with this craft. For this craft you'll need a toilet paper roll, you'll need some washi tape, some scissors, a marker, and a ruler. First, you'll want to cover your toilet paper roll with washi tape. Now that it's finished, you'll want to take your marker and trace, I can't talk today for some reason. You want to trace the bottom of your phone. Now cut it out. Now that it's cut out, you want to take your marker again and mark an inch from each side. So I put 2 little dots where the inch was. Now you want to cover washi tape up to that inch. This is what it should look like. Now on each end you want to cut a line in a V shape. This is where you want to cut. Once it's cut, you want to fold this excess tape under. Now repeat this on the other side. Your phone holder is now done. This is optional, but if you want it to be a little bit more balanced, you want to put in some thumbtacks for legs. The legs should look like this. Now your phone holder is done. Go ahead and insert your phone and start watching YouTube. We have a variety of videos I would recommend watching. So thanks for watching this adorable DIY, guys. Bye!